Okay, here we go. Let's talk a little bit about the Alta 2810 KIK, which means that it has the island kitchen. So this has a TPO roof, which is twice as thick as any rubber roof, and it's white all the way through, so it's not going to bleed black down the sides there after a while. This comes with two nice huge batteries. We're going to fill the propane tank there for you. Electric tongue jack. It's heated and enclosed underbelly. It's got solar on the roof. This here, you can put an app on your phone and keep an eye on your voltage right on your phone. That's your solar panel charge port, basically. So, I mean, that's going to make sure that the solar doesn't overcook your batteries. And then right here, put that in there, and that's your 12-volt battery kill switch. You got all your hookups inside here, just like you would on a fifth wheel. Now this is a nice big door. It has a drop frame, so you got lots of storage there. Electric stabilizing jacks, and you got a tankless water heater right there. Your black tank flush, really nice rims, even a little light out here. You can see as we walk by how close these are. Gives it a nice stiffer, less likely to break wheel well cover. And there's the two for the back stabilizers. It is 50 amp service. Ladder on the back, backup camera prepped, spare tire right there for you. It's even got a spray port right here. So freshwater spray port. Look how far that little griddle sticks out, so you're not cooking right next to your camper. Then there's a fridge on the outside here. You got a spot you can put a TV right there if you don't want to deal with it. We'll put a backer right there, or we'll put a mount right into the backer and get you set up. Outside speakers, it's prepped even for having a let's see if I can show you up here. So if you wanted to put an awning topper right there, it's prepped for it, so it saves you about a half hour of labor. And it's got the flip up steps right here, which is nice, and hiding right behind the flip up steps is a metal storage box. A little spot to hook up Fido right there too. And now we're going to show you from the front side. Look how big the storage area is. Nice and big there. You got sensor lights on both sides, power hookup, and you could run your awning right there in and out from here, which is pretty slick. All metal framing, that's aluminum framed. We're gonna go on the inside now, check out all the goodies in there. So right away when you come in, you could say standard 15K air conditioner, which is the biggest one. Your thermostat right there. And for your tankless water heater right here, you can actually set the temperature where you want it, so you don't have to scold the kids. Like if you know you don't want the water too hot for them, but not so cold that you're not enjoying a nice hot shower. So everything there in your control panel that you're going to need. Before we get into the kitchen and the living room, we're going to check out the bathroom. Ducted air into here, ducted heat into here, porcelain toilet, nice surround with a skylight. It's really tall in here. Altas have a 2-inch taller ceiling than all the other brands. So right here, slide this across, super easy to use. Plenty of storage right there for your towels. Sink in the bathroom, huge medicine cabinet. King bed standard, pull across hard door, hanging storage, really well thought out nightstands. Look, you got power there, you can put all your stuff behind it. More ducted heat into here. 2 air conditioners in this puppy. Big storage area back here. Let's pop that open while I'm heading there. Here's a spot for another TV in the bedroom. All your hookups are right there. Look at this nice big hanging storage area. Very well built camper. Light switches, so you don't have to reach up and do all the individual switches. Now to the main event. So heading into the living room. Recliners, huge windows, all the windows work. Nice tall slide boxes, so lots of room for a taller guy to get into here. Table and chairs, super discounted price for 2024. Carryover, nice little desk area right there. Tons of storage. Look at all that storage. You got those cabinets, those cabinets. Behind the island here you have storage. All those. You got storage drawers. I mean, just awesome. Nice countertop space. More storage there. Sound bar. So the TV pops up right there. You push a button. TV goes up. Fireplace right there. And you're sitting across from your recliners. And then 2 plug-ins down there. Plus the nice little clock that comes with it. I'll tell you, you just can't go wrong with these Altas. They're so nice. Plenty of floor space. And again, see the heat ducts here and there instead of in the floor where it can cause a crack in the linoleum. So very well thought out. Again, 2 air conditioners, vacuum bonded roof, built solid. And one little cute thing I'll show you right here. Little drawer down there. Another drawer down there. More drawers. More drawers there. Good spot for your garbage. Little sprayer that moves around, of course. Nice big stainless steel sink, drying rack, cutting board. I mean, the list goes on, but you got to get over here, check it out. I mean, easy half-ton towable camper. Thanks for watching.